morning, my dear students. So here we are with another part of chapter fractions. So today we will study about division of fractions. I hope multiplication is clear to you. Let us begin today with our new lesson. So the topic is division of fractions. Now what we have to see here, division of fraction actually involve only multiplication of fraction. That we will see. Division is just the reverse of multiplication. For example, I am not taking the fractions here. I am taking only the whole numbers. Please see here, 5 into 2 is 10. So this is multiplication, and how it is reverse of division. From this 5 into 10 is equal, 5 into 2 is 10. We see that 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Therefore, if we divide two fractions, let us take the example a by b is first set of fraction, c by d is another set of fraction. Now what happens in the next step? A by b is written as a by b. Division changes to multiplication, and as I change my division to multiplication, my fraction gets inverted. Earlier it was c by d, now it became d by c, and from here we will follow the rules of multiplication. The answer will be a into d divided by b into c. Let us see some questions of exercise 2.4. The very first question says divide. The fraction given is 18 by 25 divided by 5 by 30. So what we studied, I will write the first fraction as it is, 18 by 25. I will change my division sign to multiplication. What will happen next? My next fraction will become the reciprocal. It will be inverted. Earlier it was 5 by 30. Now I change it to 30 by 5. So it became, from here you can cancel some of the terms. 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. So the answer will be 18 into 6 by 5 into 5. 18 into 6 is 108 divided by 25. On simplifying, the mixed fraction is 4 whole 8 by 25. Second question talks about giving the mixed fractions and we have to divide. 3 whole 3 by 5 divided by 2 whole 2 by 5. So first we will change them to improper. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 by 5 divided by 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 by 5. Now next step, copy the first fraction as it is, 18 by 5. Change your division sign to multiplication sign. Then invert the next fraction. Earlier it was 12 by 5. Now I wrote it 5 by 12. On cancelling, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. So 6 into 1 is 6, 1 into 4 is 4. 6 by 4 can be further reduced to 3 by 2. That is the answer. Okay, one more is there. You have to write the reciprocal of the given fraction that we have already studied. Reciprocal means we will simply invert the number. So fraction was given as 6 by 7. So its reciprocal will be 7 by 6. Let us see some more examples. Question number 5 says the product of a fraction and the sum of 2 whole 3 by 4 and 3 whole 1 by 2 is 5. Find the fraction. Product of a fraction and the sum of these two. So first we have to add these two fractions. Then we have to multiply with the unknown fraction. So please see the solution. Let the fraction be x. Now according to the question, product means multiplying the sum of two fractions into the unknown fraction. So the equation will be x into 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 whole 1 by 2 is equal to 5. It's given in the question. The product and sum is equal to 5. Now x into 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 is equal to 5. Taking the LCM of 4 and 2, it will be 4. So 11, since 4 and 4, it will be 11. Now 2 2s are 4, so 7 2s are 40 equals to 5. X into 11 plus 24 is 25 by 4 is equal to 5. Now x will be 5 see, this fraction is getting multiplied on this side. So when it will go on opposite side, it will be divided. So x equals to 5 divided by 25 by 4. 5 can be written as 5 by 1 into, as I change the sign of division to multiplication, same thing we will do again. The next fraction will be inverted. So 25 by 4 will become 4 by 25. Cancelling 5s and 25s, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So 1 into 4 is 4 and 1 into 5 is 5. This is your answer. Next question, question number 8. A rope of length 3 whole 3 by 5 meter has been divided into 6 pieces of equal length. What is the length of each piece? So, if this is the rope, it needs to be divided in 6 equal pieces. And they are asking what will be the length of the each piece. The total length is given as 3 whole 3 by 5. So, how we will do it? Total length of the rope is 3 whole 3 by 5. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18 by 5 meter. It is divided in 6 equal pieces. So therefore the length of each piece will be 18 by 5 divided by 6. So 18 by 5 divided by 6 can be written as 6 by 1. So 18 by 5, changing again the same rule, division to multiplication. So then we will invert the next fraction. 6 by 1 got inverted to 1 by 6. And now 6 and 18s are cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 3 into 1 is 3, 5 into 1 is 5 meter. So length of each piece is 3 by 5 meter. Question number 10 says, by what number should 10 whole 2 by 3 be divided to obtain 20? So we have to divide this by an unknown number and we will get the answer as 20. So how to frame the equation? Let us see. Let us say the number is x. Number here is actually the fraction. According to question, 10 whole 2 by 3 divided by x. Because they are asking by what number 10 whole 2 by 3 needs to be divided. So 10 whole 2 by 3 divided by x is equal to 20. Simplifying, 10 3s are 30 plus 2 is 32 by 3 divided by, changing x to x by 1 to make it a fraction, is equal to 20. 20 you can also write as 20 by 1. So again following the same rule, changing your division sign to multiplication sign and inverting the next fraction. 32 by 3 into x by 1 became 1 by x is equal to 20 by 1. On simplifying, 32 by 3x, 32 into 1 is 32, 3 into x are 3x is equal to 20 by 1. So 32 into 1 cross multiplication is equal to 3x into 20. So x will be 32, x will remain here, x will be 32 divided by 20 into 3 because here they are getting multiplied. So on the opposite side they will be divided. 32 by 20 into 3, cancelling with a table of 4, 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 38. So the answer is 8 by 5 into 3 is 15. So the answer is 8 by 15. I hope you all understood today's lecture. Please revise and if you have any doubt you can ask. Now questions of exercise 2.4 are your homeworks. Whatever is not done, these were the class works. Please write them properly. See you in the next class.